Hello everyone and welcome to Gourmet Taste. It's easy to use and inexpensive. That's Vaseline. Although the packaging is not colored, but this jelly-like cake captured everything from big stars to commoners. The hearts of the people, Vaseline has been hot in recent years. It is a highly regarded must-have good thing. Because it's not just that. The effect on the skin is remarkable. The most important thing is high quality and low price. You can buy a big can for a few $dozen. When the weather is dry, just a bottle of Vaseline, it's enough. Cracked hands and feet, dry skin can be used. But other than that, it also has many amazing features. The effect is so good that you can't buy it with money. Hurry up and follow the video to see. Magical Use 1 Repair Phone Screen. What about a lot of people's mobile phones? It won't work in the last year and a half, or the screen body is scarred, or it consumes power very quickly. But some people even use it for the last 2 or 3 years, also like new. The fuselage is intact. It's not how expensive their phones are, it's that they appreciate it. Know how to maintain it. Cell phone. Naturally, it also feeds back with a better and longer experience. If your phone body is also scarred, don't rush to change the screen, change the phone. A bottle of Vaseline like this is enough. People just like me. Take a little Vaseline and smear it on the screen, then smear. Where are the scratches on the screen? Smear a little Vaseline. Gently wipe it to repair scratches. And it can also be displayed on the mobile phone screen. Form a protective oil film. Play a good protective role. What about when we wipe the screen with a reflective face? Remember the friction that comes and goes. The filling effect is better this way. And then finally, we just need a clean cloth. Wipe the dirt off the screen. That's it. If it's okay, it is best to choose a professional screen cloth to wipe it. The phone screen, after cleaning like this, it has become very clean, and the scratches are invisible. Like the LCD TV at home, tablet computers, and a range of other electronic products. If there are scratches, or it can't be cleaned up by dirty things, you can use this method. It works. Magical Use 2 Ring Bracelet. I don't know if you have encountered it. Similar questions? When I just put on the ring, it was just right. As the years go by, or get pregnant, or gain weight, fingers are slowly getting fat. The ring is getting tighter when it's time to take it off. It's hard to get. Don't panic. Don't be in a hurry to cut off the ring. We use a little Vaseline. I can make you a little hair. Take the ring off without damage. We use Vaseline, apply evenly to the edge of the ring, and the whole finger. This also plays a smooth role. Then put your index finger, gently place it on the ring, thumbs down. Start gently turning the ring back and forth. At the same time, slowly pull out the ring. Don't pull the ring too hard, or pull the ring. Otherwise, it will make the hands more swollen. Makes the ring harder to get out. That's all. You can easily take out the ring. Simple, like bracelets, you can't take them out. You can use this method. What about soap, liquid Vaseline, or hand cream? Can be used as a lubricant. Magical 3 lubrication scissors. Scissors are a must-have tool for every household. We often use it to cut things. But after using it for a long time, the scissors become very dark. It's very hard. Sometimes it can't be broken directly. And that's where our Vaseline comes in handy. Let's take a little Vaseline. Apply evenly to the rivets of the scissors. There is also an interface here. Vaseline acts as a lubricant. In this way, the scissors become flexible and easy to use. Dear friends, making videos is not easy. Your every message and every like follow, it's what keeps me going. If you think my video is helpful to you, please give me a like. Thank you for your support. Magical 4 shoes. Leather shoes that are not worn at home for a long time. Do you have frequent oil maintenance? Very easy to get beauty spots. Do not wipe with water when urgent. You can take a little Vaseline, apply to the surface of leather shoes. Then rub it with a rag for a while. Leather shoes can look brand new, shiny. The biggest problem with leather shoes, it is most likely to wrinkle and peel after wearing it for a long time. When you wear it like this, the grade plummets. So maintenance is very important. But going out for maintenance will inevitably cost money. As little as a few dozen or hundreds, I feel like I'm wasting money. Same thing with Vaseline. It can play a good maintenance role. All leather products can use it. Even leather shoes, grinding feet can be solved. Wear our leather shoes, grind our feet, smear it with Vaseline, leave it for 2 days. The leather at the grinding feet is maintained by Vaseline. It will be much softer and smoother so that it no longer grinds its feet. All right, just smear the Vaseline evenly, let it dry for 1 night. The upper of the leather will become softer. Even the wrinkles on the upper, it will also become shallower. Let's compare. The effect is not worse than professional shoe polish, right? It also has a maintenance function. After applying Vaseline, it will form an oil film on the surface of the shoe. In this way, the shoes are not easy to get dust. Keep the shoes clean. Even if the shoes are not worn for a long time, oil film protective layer, the shoes will not be moldy and spotted. You can kill a lot with 1 stone. Wonderful use of 5 to offset printing. In daily life, we always use a lot of bottles and jars. When the jar is used up, the bottle can also be used for other purposes. It can be achieved by turning waste into reward. You can also save a small amount of money, but each bottle will have a label. Tear it off and find that there is always glue left under it. I still feel sticky when I go to get the bottle again. Some wrapping paper is not easy to tear off. There will always be glue left on it. It's so unsightly. You might as well try Vaseline when you need it. We spread Vaseline evenly over the offset. There are roughly 2 kinds of materials for packaging on the bottle. One is paper and the other is plastic sealed. Relatively speaking, the plastic seal will be easier to remove. But you can try it with Vaseline. After spreading evenly like this, we let it sit for about 10 minutes. When the time is up, let's wipe it and see. You can see it. As for the offset printing, it can be easily wiped off. Vaseline has the effect of moisturizing and lubricating, can be effectively solved. The problem of glue sticking to the bottle. If you encounter a more stubborn offset printing, you can start with Vaseline, then blow it with a hot air blower. Soon it will be wiped clean. And it's very clean. There is no glue left on it. Isn't that great? Magical Use 6 to remove scale. Many people will find the time the faucet was on dry safety, it's shiny. But after using it for a while, you will find that it is easy to leave water stains on the surface of the faucet. And after a while, it forms scale that is difficult to remove. No matter how high-end the faucet is, it will become eclipsed. I have tried many methods, but it is difficult to clean it. Special headache. If everyone encounters the same problem, let's try Vaseline. Take Vaseline and spread it evenly on the faucet. Then wipe it back and forth with a rag. The reason why we will choose to install a stainless steel faucet. It's because it's clean and beautiful. And the remaining water stains and stains. It not only affects its appearance, looks very unhygienic. If you don't master the correct method, it's especially troublesome to clean up. And it hasn't worked yet. It can even exacerbate the residue of water stains. After learning Vaseline maintenance and cleaning, it will be different. Not 1 minute. The faucet can look brand new. It's even better than when I first bought it. Because after smearing Vaseline, it is not only clean, the role of polishing and waxing. And it's also waterproof to stains. Practice for everyone to see. We sprinkled water stains on the clean faucet. Look at the water stain. It will fall off with a light blow, will not adhere to the surface of the faucet. How about water stains like this? There will be no scale formation due to grades. I'll give you a brand new faucet. Magical Use Period lubricating drawer. Drawer that has been used for several years. The cabinet is often intact. Drawers don't open and close. Pull over the bed, make a disturbing noise. Temptation is very dark. The color is dry and hard, and it can't be pulled directly. Many people choose to replace it directly, but all you need is Vaseline. We just take Vaseline. Just apply it to the drawer slide. Slide rail is also called guide rail. It's for furniture drawers, or the hardware connection part of the cabinet board entry and exit activities, usually used in bathroom cabinets cabinet. The drawers of household cabinets such as wardrobes are connected. The drawer can't be pulled, or the slide is broken, or it's rusty and dry and stuck. If the second situation occurs, we can do it with Vaseline. Here, it can still act as a lubricant, and the effect is very significant. Pull again after a few minutes of application. The annoying noise is gone. Ordinary Vaseline is not only a face cream, it turns out that there are so many hidden functions. Easy to use and not expensive. Have you learned it? If you have other more practical uses, welcome to share with your friends in the comment area. Okay, today's video content is over. If you watch it and think it is helpful to you, remember to like and forward and share. Hope to help more friends. Click on my video avatar. You can also watch more food and life skills. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you for your support. I am TopTips 247. See you next time.